Let me tell Kenyans, myself as a whip, I believe in one united Jubilee. I work for the Jubilee Party. I work without considering those factions. I don't believe in divisions. I don't believe in hatred. I believe in unity, peace, and harmony in Senate.
Says a whip who has taken the lead.
You were saying that your boss, the president, seems to have already decided that there is no longer a united Jubilee because of his sentiments recently. Why are you sort of disagreement with your boss?
You see, let me tell you one thing. As a whip, I'll be measured on the basis of my output as a whip here. Whenever I mobilize senators to support a certain government cause, I will not be measured as per how I create the divisions. So when I'm mobilizing senators here to pass government business, I mobilize everyone. If I was to dare take that route of trying to create the division, bills here are going to collapse. Yeah, for example, let me give you a good example. The other day we were passing, what is it called? The sports bill, isn't it? Surely, if let's say Tanga senator said we are not going to attend that session, that bill would not have passed. So the whole idea, what happens outside, the whole idea, politics, I don't know which factions, for me as a whip, I cannot at any moment embed such kind of a political culture in my way of doing things. For me, I want unity. I push for a united house, a united party. Because I'll be measured on the basis of the output, which does not engender. I support factionalism.
You still believe that Jubilee is going to come back together to unite? As a whip?
And finally, you were given that position when others were ousted out of office. Do you have some experiences that you might appreciate your predecessors in office experienced the same, that you think the challenges, just as you pointed out about your colleague, the counterpart in the National Assembly, who says actually you have demonstrated immaturity in politics?
Well, my counterpart is the one with a motion of ouster. Me, I don't have. I think if there is evidence of what he said, it is the fact that 6 months are not even, I think we are now on the 7th month since we assumed this office. He already has a motion of being ousted from his position because he is doing his business in a manner that is discriminating, in a manner that fosters divisions. Whenever there are meetings, he calls members of parliament from a certain faction. I think Kenya cannot be built through divisions. Senate or even National Assembly cannot be built through divisions. It can only go forward as through togetherness and through ensuring we mobilize people across the board. Thank you.